I think a lot of where you see friction in like union, like, labor versus owners and things like that, is that the spoils of the success of the company aren't shared equitably. So that's generally where that comes from. So I guess going back to the point about activist employees, I think when the conditions are that people are really happy in their job, they feel like they're adequately compensated, that things are pretty equitable across the board in terms of who gets compensated and how they get compensated, the work environment, can you work remote? Do you have to be in the office? Like all the different things. If there was an environment where those needs, the needs of the people working there are generally met, you usually don't see that sort of outspoken friction. But you brought up the Coinbase guy, and I think that that's a really good example of it. He's like, if you don't like it here, quit. You can take that same exact scenario and handle it 12 different ways that don't sound that horrible. You know what I mean? You can, and I think that's the thing about it, is I think leaders underestimate really how simple it is to make progress towards better. Maybe not ideal for every single person. You're never going to get everybody happy, but to move towards environments where more people are happy requires small shifts. Care more about the people on your team. Create environments where they trust you and you trust them. That way, they're not questioning your every single motive and you're not questioning theirs. And if you provide safety for them to do what they're trying to do on the way to their destination, you create an environment where they don't have to operate in fear. You generally don't have those kind of work environments where there is that friction between the different levels, because they are working together as one team. That's how you get the alignment, is that care, that trust, and that safety.